everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 11th to the 13th of February 2026. On Wednesday, Madonge tried to stop the arrest of Lily at the risk of obstructing justice. Madlala shares with Sbu and Figile the need for prayers for the Dongwe family. Njeza gets the shock of his life after confessing what he knows about Mr. Dongwe on Thursday. Lily comes face to face with the size of a monster ahead of her. Madonge fights for the Likli family she has left. The Hlobos are disarmed by Madonge's request on Friday. Kunze wants to put his money to good use. Njeza realizes that he may have lit a match for Lily. Onondaba rush into court with the hopes of getting front row seats. Well guys, that's all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.